Nakita mo ba ko na nga 1 million to 2.6 million na ata diri guys. Available diri guys sa Mayva Auto Residences. Nabilib sa plus nata sa North and South guys. So I'm pretty sure ganahan mo may bawa ni guys sa atong showroom karong adlaw guys. It's very productive. Unsa very paabot ninyo aras na.
Hi everybody, this is our showroom of our La Belleza homes located in Pulang Bato, Talamban. So take a look inside. For now, this is semi-furnished because this is a showroom. And when it comes to deliverable, this is a finished type. It has no furnishings. And this is 40 square meter for the floor area. So this is the sample of the showroom. And also we have existing lot here. It could be like dirty kitchen or depende sa client. Ngaya mahimo extra lot niya dira. And also the toilet and bath fixtures, nanay, shower set, lavatory here, and the bowl. So we have 2 rooms for the second floor. Sorry. All right. This is for the master's bedroom. And for the children's room, extra room. So whenever you have a client showroom viewing, you can directly let them see here at Banglang Jud sa Cityscape Hotel. And also, yung client na gusto jud makaadto sa site mismo ni Pulang Bato, we could go there also. Mao ni ang 3.4 to 4.5 million. 4.5 yung pinaka-corner.
Okay.
This is the actual deliverable of the unit, except sa mga beds, wala na na-appeal. So no down payment ang promo, only the reservation cash out payment of 15,000 pesos. So whatever balances manaa, it will be covered through the bank financing.
Okay.
Income required must be like 80 above. Depends of the unit that will be taken, huh? So it's like that. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, good afternoon again. So we're going up. For the showroom of Ato Talisay, Ato Pardo, and La Belleza Flats Condominium Building. So for all pre-selling condominium that is upcoming of Myron Properties, this is the showroom. Just front of Cityscape Hotel. With balcony, finished type. Actually, semi-furnished dyan niya siya because we were giving freebies to the clients. Washing machine, aircon, bed, range hood, and raft. So this is 23 square meter for the floor area. 23 means there is a balcony of 2 square meter. So inside is 21. All right. So take a look at the comfort room and the bedroom area. So naanan ni siya appeal. Range wood. But this is brand new ibibigay. So hindi siya installed, naka-carton siya. Kayo na yung magbubukas. Mao ni ang open for LOI, naghatagog forms ni sir. So get siya ra mo ana. So, kung naamoy mga kalit-kalit na mga client, this is open Monday to Sabado, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. for the showroom. Also, kung reserve na naa sa second floor of office.
All the units have balcony?
Yeah. No. For example, La Villa sa Consolacion, naami 18 square meters sa Tower 1, wala siya balcony. But makapili raman si buyer sa with balcony kay. Example, mag-lunching.
If you balcony,
Naanay.
price.
Yes. Kasagaran man sa among balcony kay 23 square meter. At also 20 na asad.
So it's finished.
Semi-furnished na, sir.
Furnished.
Yes, we have freebies bed, aircon, ref, washing machine, and range hood. Tapos naka-tiles na din. Pero yung Pardo, yung mga na-launching na with freebies gito. Yung Pardo, on or before launching, we will gonna give the final na freebies or discounts that we could offer to the client. So that's why ang LOI is refundable, transferable. Once makuha na ni client, example, yung mga client natin sa Pardo, nag-reserve sila. Yung ganahan nila is the corner ones. And then there comes a point nga, the client is naana sa line-up katapusan, nahutda na siya corner, he could decide finally kung mugo na lang siya, inner yun. Balcony area, pero dire, kuan na siya, semento. Oo.
Wala yung balcony. Glass kapon?
Yes, window.
Window.
Oo.
So for more information, interesado kayo mo guys, please comment below guys. And please do not forget to like and follow all my social media accounts. Ano sa, palitin mo guys og PM na.